Hello, it's Jeff, and today we have a A.O. Smith water heater. It's a model GPSH 50-100. It is a 50-gallon water heater. First thing you want to do is pull the AC power cord, unplug that, and then we can start removing the outer cover. Just kind of squeeze that little hump there, goes over the pipes, and then use a small, you can use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds the inner cover on, and then that will expose inside. You want to look for like water, make sure there's no leaks and things like that. Check out the description for more troubleshooting tips. Now this is the igniter flame rod assembly. So this machine does not have a pilot light, so it actually will light that igniter up, and then the gas valve kicks on and it will light. And then it goes right back out after about a second. It'll try about 3 times before it locks out. So that tells you that the flame rod sensor is not getting up to the control signal. So that's why it shuts off, so don't keep filling up with gas. So once you remove the screw, the whole assembly will come out. You unplug it, and you can actually compare it to the new igniter flame rod assembly. Make sure the connectors are the same. And now this assembly actually has sleeving around the wires, which I was kind of surprised because the original one did not. It just had loose wires kind of strapped together. But yeah, put the screw in this way. That way you're working with gravity. I found it kind of difficult to try to put the screw down between the 2 sets of wires. And reinstall that, plug it in. You can test the water heater right here, or you're just going to put the covers back on, the inner cover with the 1 screw there, and just kind of tuck the edge in because you see how the metal's bent to go behind the edge of the opening there. Put the screw in and put the outer cover on, and go ahead and try it out. Plug it in and start it up, and the igniter should come on. The inducer fan up on top will start up. So again, this was a A.O. Smith GPSH 50-100. And I hope this was helpful. Read the description for more troubleshooting tips. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.